Buenos días, niños. Este es el examen de la Pace de Speaking English número 2. Point, recuerden que point es señala. Así que si yo les digo point, ustedes tienen que señalar con su dedito la cosa que yo les pregunte. Ok. Point to a man. Point to a man. Man. Point to the pants. Point to the pants. Point to the woman. Point to the woman. Point to the daughter. Point to the daughter. Point to the skirt. Point to the skirt. Point to the sun. Point to the sun. Point to the grandfather. Point to the grandfather. Point to the dress. Point to the dress. Point to the shirt. Point to the shirt. Point to the shoes. Point to the shoes. Point to the baby. Point to the baby. Point to the dog. Point to the dog. Point to the puppy. Point to the puppy. Point to the cat. Point to the cat. Point to the kitty. Point to the kitten. Point to 12. Point to 18. Point to 15. Point to 13. Point to 14. Point to 19. Point to 11. Muy bien. Eso fue el examen de la Pace de Speaking English número 2.